Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Elite Series 105, Dominik Mysterio. I've been really wanting to get this figure for the longest time, and now I have it. Side of the packaging. Of course, the back of the packaging. It says he's from San Diego, California. Height is 6'1". Weight 200 pounds. Finisher is a frog splash. And it says Dom Dom, as Rhea Ripley calls him, betrayed his father, Rey Mysterio, and his entire family when he joined the Judgment Day. There we go. Alright, and here is Dominik Mysterio out of the packaging. And this is such a cool looking figure. It looks just like him. I can't wait to take it out. Alright, and here are his interchangeable hands here. The tattoos and everything. Look at the detail on that. It's incredible. And wow, here he is. Dominik Mysterio out of the packaging. He has the tights like his father wore, like in his early days. He wore tights like with this design in ECW, and I think his early WCW days. His father, that is. So I think it's like an homage to that, despite the fact that they're in a storyline rivalry. The Judgment Day logo, tats, Dominik Mysterio. We got the Judgment Day shirt. Very cool looking shirt. Great head scan, Dominik Mysterio. You know, I saw this guy live in Fairfax, Virginia at a house show. It was great. All right, and here is Dominik Mysterio, fully posed and out of the packaging. Alright, and here is Dominik Mysterio in just his wrestling gear. And the head scan, the mold, everything is just so incredible. There's DM in the back. Awesome figure. For all you Judgment Day fans out there. Alright, and here is Dominik Mysterio posed with an Elite Rey Mysterio, his father. Alright, everybody, here is Dominik Mysterio posed with the Elite Rhea Ripley. Alright, and here is Dominik Mysterio posed with Rhea Ripley and Cody Rhodes. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video of this Elite Dominik Mysterio. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and yeah, thank you for supporting my channel, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Thank you.